This is a very old Maths SL, in fact it used to be called Maths Methods question. It's on Venn diagrams, and you can have a read through of it, pause the video and have a go yourself, or you can just listen to the explanation. Now, before I answer the questions, I'm giving some information here which I'm going to go through to help you understand Venn diagrams. So the number in U, that means the number inside this whole rectangle is 36. And I have to fill in a number here, just going to underline here, a number here, a number here, and a number here. Next thing it says, and by the way, those four numbers are going to add up to 36. The next thing it says is the number in A is 11. Now here's a classic student mistake, that they fill in 11 here. Well, that's not 11, so I'm going to go backwards. And actually, it helps to say that this set is 11, so that means that these two numbers make 11. The number in B is 6. So this circle here has 6. And the number, by the way, this N standing for number, in A union B dash. Now, A union B is this two sets here and the bit in between them, which is the intersection. The union is all of that. And it's a dash, so it's not. So it's the opposite of all of that, is 21. So now I can fill in this one here as 21. Now that's brilliant, because this one, add these three, make 36. So I've got 15 left to fill in. If you look at this, there's 6 in B and 11 in A, which is 17. But I've only got room for 15. So what that means is 11 and 6 are 17. I take away 15, which is what I've got room for, and it gives me 2, and those 2 have been double counted, so they're part of A and B. Now remember, I'm supposed to have 11 in A, 2 are there, 9 go there. 6 in B, 2 are there, 4 go there. That makes my 15 and my 21 making 36. I haven't actually answered any questions yet, but I just wanted to just show you how those numbers fill in. So now I'm going to shade A union B dash. Now remember, we said that A union B was the middle here, the A and the B and the intersection, and the dash is everything that it's not. So if I'm shading it, I just want to shade everything outside here like this. Okay, so now the other questions are really simple because we've filled this in and taken the time at the beginning to use this information. Find the number in A intersection B. Intersection B is the middle bit here, so that's going to be 2. The P, now that stands for probability, so the probability of being in A intersection B, well, there's 2 in the middle there out of 36 altogether. 2 out of 36. Now, you can make that 1 over 18, or you can just leave it. Explain why events A and B are not mutually exclusive. Now, mutually exclusive means that you can be in one set, or being in one set excludes you from being in the other set. So, for example, if you do maths standard level, you cannot do maths higher level as well. It's one or the other. You can't be in both sets at the same time. But you could quite easily be in maths standard level and take biology standard level. So to explain this, it's because there is an intersection. If there's an intersection A, intersection B is equal to 2. For it to be mutually exclusive, that would have to be the null set or a 0, but it's not, okay, because there's some in between.